Now I'm going to show you how to make a devilishly good snack. That, of course, being deviled eggs. Now this is a party favorite, but they can be traced back all the way to the Romans, but became increasingly popular in America during the 1920s, specifically during the Prohibition. There was an increase in popularity in finger foods. They were super easy to make, super easy to eat, and I'm going to show you how to make them today. So they're super easy, consist of 6 hard-boiled eggs. We have some Dijon mustard, mayonnaise. We have freshly chopped chives as well as whole chives, and that's going to be for garnish. Tabasco, a little bit of pepper, some salt, and then paprika, and that as well is going to go for garnish. Alright, so the first step is going to be taking your eggs and boiling them, but right now we already have these eggs boiled, so we're going to take them and we're going to take the shells off of them. So next, we're going to take our boiled eggs and then slice them right down the middle. Alright, then we're going to take the yolk from all of them and then just toss them in our bowl. Careful to keep the egg white intact because that's going to be our sort of shell. And when all of these are out, you can mash them with the fork, making sure that it's one fine, complete texture. And while we're doing this, we can toss in our Tabasco, our Dijon mustard, our mayo, the pepper, and then we'll start off with a little bit of salt for now, and then we can add more as we go. Can't forget our chopped chives. And then we'll continue to mix and mash. And already you can start seeing that it gets a good texture. Something that can go easily into the eggshell and come out with a good, soft, tasteful bite. And now we're going to be using a rubber spatula to make sure that it's all fully incorporated. And I like to grab everything off the sides. And at this point, it should be about ready. And now we have our mixture in a piping bag, and we're just going to pipe it into the eggshell. And you can get creative with this step, but I like having the piping design on it. All right, and finally, we're going to take our paprika and lightly sprinkle it over. I don't like to do too much paprika because it can overwhelm the overall taste of the egg, but again, personal preference. All right, that looks about good. And then we're just gonna take some of our chives and top them on top. A nice extra bit of flavor, make them a little bit more pretty. And that's all. They are complete. And again, a super easy, super fast snack that you can serve at parties, and were super popular during the 1920s. And let's give it a try. Let's see if they live up to the hype. Yeah, I mean, like always, they're delicious, easy, good finger food. They're just... Thank you again for watching. If you like what you're seeing here, don't forget to like and subscribe, and follow us on all our social medias. Unfortunately, this dish is not going to be on our menu, but if you want to try something similar or completely different, go down to the link in the description, click on it, and you can make a reservation, and we'll see you soon.